What's going on, everybody? Mike here. Got another hard reset for you. Today we're going to do the OnePlus Nord N30 5G. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password and you forgot what it is, you have to do a hard reset. Show you how to do that. Just a reminder, guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, we have a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up. Appreciate the support, but let's jump into this. So the first thing you want to do is make sure the phone's off, and in this case it is. And then you have your volume up, volume down, and power button on this side. And we want to hold volume down and power at the same time. So I'm going to hold volume down first, then I'm going to hold power. When the phone turns on, you can let go of power, but keep holding volume down. It does take a second sometimes to get in, but give it a second. There we go. So you want to use the volume buttons to scroll. You can actually use touch also, but you want to hit English, and then we want to hit format data, and then it's asking us to just type in a code, and in this case it's, what is it, 0446, and then we hit confirm. The only downside is if you have a bad touchscreen on your phone, then you won't be able to do this, unfortunately. So, and plugging a mouse for like a USB will not work either, so just give you guys a heads up. But now the phone's reset, all the data will be deleted, and it will reset and it'll load to the welcome screen, and you can set it up like it was new. So thanks for watching, guys. If you guys have any questions or want to see something else, just drop a comment. Otherwise, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.